Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last 3 videos we did see about on a higher level versioning and excuse me, numbered versions as well as language versions, and finally we did see the content field level versioning, which is version, unversion and shared fields. So in this video let's focus on the presentation part of it. How does that versioning affects that presentation? So in a way it is called version layout. You might have already seen this, like whenever you are setting a presentation details on the template standard values or at the content level. So whenever you open the presentation details, you always can see that 2 tabs, which is one is shared layout and another one is final layout. There are already enough details are given here. You can notice that when we are on shared layout, this tab displays the shared layout details that are used by every version of the item. It does not matter it is a language or it is a in the version. So all the languages, all the versions use this. But if we go to the final layout, this tab displays the combined presentation details for the specific version, shared plus version details. So it uses whatever the shared ones here and also specific to that particular version. So combining that it will use. Let's see in an example. And before that, there is also a point to note. In the version layout, you can also notice that there are 2 fields will be there. These are standard fields. One is renderings, another one is final renderings. Whatever we are setting at the shared layout and final layout, shared layout, all those layout and components and placeholder, all these things will be converted into that XML and saved in the renderings field. And under final renderings, you will have final layout related content. So related combination. So these 2, if you enable the standard fields, you can have a look. And back to our Sitecore, we are on Sitecore 10.1, and let me show you quickly that rendering and final renderings. So for that, so I'm on contact page, and if you go to the contact, this is a page item. So you can go to click on standard fields, and you can search here renderings, final renderings. So you can click on layout. So this will have layout as well as final layout, and this might not be the proper, correct, but we want to see the raw values. So you see that renderings, but whereas final renderings it is empty. The reason being, we did not have any modifications or any changes which are applied to the final renderings. Whatever it is defined in the shared is used across. So shared and standard value. Also notice here, this presentation do not have any modifications. This is set at the standard value. So let's go back to the template. So let me just hide this. So the template is generic page. Let's go to the first. Let's see here itself. So you will see shared layout and as well as final layout. Nothing different until unless you modify, because remember the final is shared plus version details. Here this is a shared one. So shared is showing, but version we don't have anything version related. So let's close this and go to the generic page. I mean to say the template. Then we can check the standard values. Okay, go to the standard values, and again presentation and details. You can notice here it is defined as the shared layout and final layout. Final layout there are nothing, but shared layout is the one which is shares. Let's go and play around at the content level. So let me go here. Yeah, this is a contact. I guess this is a page data and this is about component. Let me go here and okay. We are on version 2, so I believe this is the version which is this is the version which is presently serving here. So let me just reload. So contact v2. For this, let's just hide one presentation details. Final layout, I'm just trying to remove about component here. Remove and save. Okay, now I saved it. Let's just reload. We have not published that, so let's publish this. And just removed, but let's just publish. Let's make one thing. Let's go and check the first version. So go to here and not publish, presentation details, and you can notice there is page header and everything, and final layout there is about and everything. So that means whatever we modified in the second version of the page or second version of the item did not affect anything about the first version. So if I switch back to, now I'll just do one thing. I'll just stop this so that first version is published. Save it. Publish item. So just published. Now this comes up because we only modified the layout, the rendering in the second version. We did not, obviously it will not affect the first version. So that is one thing. And let me go to the language now. So German obviously what it will have. So it will have everything. It will not have any differences. So it will work the same way for the language as well as the versions, because there is no concept called unversioned here. Unversioned means different between the languages, but same across the versions. But rather here we have something called shared. So let me do one thing. I go to the shared. We are on German language. Edit this. I'm removing about main. So remove, click OK, and publish this. Okay, it has removed here as well. We are not on German language, we are on English only. But why did it remove? Because we modified that in the shared layout. So if at all we modified at the shared layout, it will be affected in every place, similar to shared field. So now if you see here, obviously final layout also got rid of it. And if I go to the German first version and go to check this, it got removed. It got removed. And even if I go to English language, it got removed. Same case with English first one. So to summarize, whenever you are modifying something at the shared layout, it will affect all the languages and all the versions. And whenever you are modifying something in the final layout, it will only affect that particular version. So it will not affect anything else. So that is the reason. Now, what is the point of all this? Now, we need to think a lot whenever we are. So, we get a requirement and we implement the some components and some page. So, but we cannot place all the components at the shared layout. If we understand the requirements properly and these whatever these common components need to be present on the page template, and these are same across the languages, across the versions, then you can keep them in the shared layout. If not, you can keep them in the final layout. So obviously in the template level, we always keep at the shared layout level. And if you want to modify something at the page level, you go and modify in the final layout. But if the change you want to modify for all the language and all the versions in that particular page, then you do it in the shared layout. So now it is a generic page template only, but I modified only for the contact page. But if I go to the blog page also should have same templates, sorry, same component, but this will not be modified because this is coming from the template standard values. So this will not affect obviously, but if you change that at the template standard value shared layout, then it will be affected. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.